Take a deep breath in and release. And we settle ourselves in our chairs and bring our attention to our bodies as we breathe again in and out. Bringing our attention to the breath helps us to bring our attention to the here and now, right here. And as we do our meditation, we remember to stay in this present moment, catching our mind if it goes anywhere into the past or the future or even outside of this building. Right now, right here, we are here. In fellowship with others who have joined, grateful to be a part of a community. Breathing in and out, we bring our attention to the heart, relaxing the mind. In the heart, in the chest, beating as we breathe. Staying in this moment. Right now, we are fully human and fully divine. Bringing our attention to the depths of the heart, the body. We know that this body is fascinating, amazing, miraculous. Sourced by the divine. And in that wonderment, we are so grateful. Grateful for our health and wholeness. Grateful to be here, to be alive. Resting in the heart, knowing that divine love is our very nature. We expand the heart to accept ourselves fully as we are. And we expand the heart even further, knowing that we are touching those who are around us right now with our energy. Touching them with compassion, empathy, support, and celebration. Radiating that love to this entire room, to this entire community, whether we're separated by space and only connected by cyberspace. We are so grateful for the community that helps us grow and awaken to our amazing divinity. Now, we take a moment to be in silence, to remember that radiating heart that is healing every part of our bodies and touching others around us with love in the silence. breath in, coming back to the body. And in this sacred moment, we hold in our hearts all those that we are especially concerned about today. I invite you to speak those people's names in a loud whisper, blessing them, seeing them whole and healthy and safe. We enclose in our prayers all those who have suffered from major changes in their lives from Hurricane Ida. So many, so in such a large area of the country. We see them finding the resources they need, supported by friends, family, having a deep inner faith that sees things coming together for their highest good. And so many more concerns. We just see each person, each of our prayers touching the hearts of those who we're holding in prayer right now and feeling them feeling uplifted energetically by our love. And for this power of connection, we are so grateful. And so it is. Amen. Just take another deep breath. Come back into this space. Open your eyes. Take a look around.